Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm still taking down my Christmas, so come and join me guys. Now I'm starting here with the lantern, and then we'll move on to other areas of the house that I still have Christmas decor. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. So here I moved on to my grand lantern, and we're going to go ahead and empty this. And then as I am taking stuff down, I'm deciding whether or not at that moment I'm going to reuse this again or I'm going to get rid of it. So we're going to be doing that as well. So I am just done here with this grand lantern. We're going to go ahead and move those aside and then head on over to the Christmas trees. Now I like to keep the actual tree with the white lights, so I'm just going to go ahead and take off of this the Christmas decor. And this was my little Ralph Lauren touch on my tree. So we're going to take that down. And I think I have another one that I'm doing. So we have some work to do, guys. All right, so I finished taking down this one. The other one was already done just for time's sake. And let's take a look at what we gathered together. So here we are at the reveal. I don't think we did too bad, guys. We got 2 bags here of things we're keeping. I got rid of the stuff I'm not. And then we have those 2 Christmas trees there. I'm proud of myself, guys. And also those candle holders that look like gifts. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Now we have to move on to the next step, which is the kitchen. Have an amazing day, guys. Amen.